Hello friends. In previous lecture we already discussed that different type of waves associate with the spectrum, light spectrum, and their different effect on the molecules. And depending on that effect on molecule, that is a rotational excitation, vibrational excitation, electronic excitation, spectroscopy also classified in different types, that is rotational spectroscopy, vibrational spectroscopy, and that of electronic spectroscopy. Then we already known that atom matter is in an atomic state or in a molecular state. Depending on that, for the study of matter, spectroscopy again classified as atomic spectroscopy and molecular spectroscopy. In this topic, our topic is related with molecule study of molecular spectroscopy, and we know that in a molecule, atoms are grouped together, atoms are bonded together, and every molecule possesses molecular energy levels. Molecule possess different type of motions, that is translational motion, vibrational motion, rotational motions. And because of the different motions, molecule also exhibit that energy. That is because of translational motion, molecule possess translational energy. Because of vibrational motion in that molecule possess vibrational energy, and because of rotations of that rotation of that molecule also exhibit rotational energy levels. And because of bonding state, because of that bonds, different type of bonds associated with that molecule also exhibit electronic energy levels, because that bonds are nothing but electrons in a pi bonding state or sigma bonding state. And because of that electronic states, bonding electronic states, molecule also possess electronic energy levels. And when molecule exposed to light radiations, then that excitations takes place in molecule, that depending on that energy levels, excitations also of different types. And depending on available energy, that excitations takes place depending on that available energy, then which different radiations exhibit different energy, we know that. And because of that, that in a specific molecule, that energy levels are quantized, means that difference between two successive energy levels is constant, and that is a property of that molecule. That is different molecules possess different type of that energy levels, but in the same type of molecules, that energy levels, that gap is always constant. And that rotational transitions require the least energy, while that of vibrational transitions require intermediate energy, and electronic transitions require highest energy. We know that since electronic transitions require higher energy, that takes place only when molecule is exposed to UV or visible type of radiations. And vibrational excitations require intermediate energy, and that is not so much high as like electronic excitation, and therefore that vibrational excitations takes place when molecule is exposed to IR radiations, which is intermediate energy, not very high like UV, and not less as like that microwave. And rotational energy, for rotational excitations, the energy required is less, and therefore that takes place, rotational excitations takes place when molecule is exposed to microwave type of radiations. These are different energy levels in a molecule. That first and second, that shows electronic energy levels, and that each electronic energy level associate with various vibrational energy levels also, and each vibrational energy level again associate with different small rotational energy levels. Therefore, when molecule is at a ground state initially, when that molecule exposed to light radiation of specific type, then what is meaning of excitation? That ground state molecule jumps in a upper energy level. That is nothing but excitation. Then that excitation based on energy availability of that light radiation. Then since that energy required for rotational excitation is very small than that of vibrational and electronic, therefore if we consider electronic spectroscopy, UV spectroscopy, then that spectrum obtained is a broad spectrum which consists of number of bands, number of lines, because that electronic excitations associate with vibrational and rotational excitations also. But when we consider that rotational spectrum of molecule, then that consists pure lines, single lines, because that energy required for rotational excitations is not sufficient for electronic and vibrational excitations. Therefore, molecule exhibit only rotational excitations, and that results in rotational spectrum only. But this is not in electronic spectroscopy, that is UV spectroscopy, where energy required is very high, and which causes vibrational and rotational excitations also, which results in all type of excitations, and therefore spectrum is a broad spectrum in case of electronic excitations. Okay, then today we start that